kids, it's your old friend Pinky Sound. Today, you will act as sound detectives. Your mission for today is to catch me while you play. Okay, this game will have 3 rounds, and in each round, I will say 10 words and some of them may not be pronounced correctly. It's your mission to catch the words that are incorrectly pronounced. At the end, we will check if you got the right answers. So, are you ready? Young detectives, let's start listening. For round 1, let's meet animals. Elephant, dog, zebra, cat, frog, monkey, rabbit, snake, giraffe, lion. So what do you think are the words that are incorrectly pronounced? That's right! We have zebra, rabbit, and giraffe. It should be pronounced as zebra. Repeat after me. Zebra. Once again. Zebra. For rabbit, it should be pronounced as rabbit. Repeat after me. Rabbit. Once again. Rabbit. For giraffe, it should be pronounced as giraffe. Repeat after me. Giraffe. Once again. Giraffe. That's great! Round 2. Let us pick some fruits. Apple, sweet lemon, grapes, blueberry, banana, pineapple, star fruit, raspberry, oranges, pears. So what do you think are the words that are incorrectly pronounced? That's right. We have sweet lemon and blueberry. For sweet lemon, it should be pronounced as sweet lemon. Repeat after me. Sweet lemon. Once again, sweet lemon. For blueberry, it should be pronounced as blueberry. Repeat after me. Blueberry. Once again, blueberry. That's great! For the final round, let's talk about school supplies. Pencil, paper, pagback, ballpen, stapler, book, drawing book, ruler, sharpener, notebook. So what do you think are the words that are incorrectly pronounced? That's right! We have pagback and ruler. For pagback, it should be pronounced as backpack. Repeat after me. Backpack. Once again, backpack. For ruler, it should be pronounced as ruler. Repeat after me. Ruler. Once again, ruler. That's great! That was a great adventure! Good job, young detectives! I hope from now on you can pronounce more words clearly and correctly. Unfortunately, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you for being part of our sound adventure. See you soon, young detectives! Goodbye!